You wake up exhausted, you go to bed exhausted, and no amount of sleep fixes it. People tell you to rest more, drink water, exercise. But here's the thing, your exhaustion isn't physical, it's mental. And if you're highly intelligent, your brain is working overtime every single second, even when you think you're relaxing. Let me show you exactly why intelligent people are always tired. And no, it's not laziness, it's the opposite. Number 1, your brain never shuts off. Most people think, then stop thinking. Your brain is a 24/7 factory. You're analyzing conversations from 3 days ago, predicting outcomes for situations that haven't happened yet, solving problems no one asked you to solve. While other people watch TV and zone out, you're watching TV and questioning the plot holes, the character motivations, the underlying themes. Your brain doesn't have an off switch, and that constant processing, it drains you. Number 2, you're living in multiple timelines at once. Right now, you're not just experiencing the present, you're replaying the past and simulating the future. You're thinking about what you should have said, what you need to do tomorrow, what could go wrong next week. Your mind is running parallel scenarios constantly, and while everyone else is just existing in the moment, you're mentally time traveling. That's exhausting. It's like running 10 mental marathons while standing still. Number 3, you overthink everything. And I mean everything. Should you send that text? Did that comment sound rude? Why did they look at you like that? Was your joke funny or awkward? Most people make decisions in seconds. You spend hours analyzing them because your brain doesn't accept surface-level answers. It needs to understand every angle, every possibility, every consequence. And by the time you've finished overthinking one thing, 5 more have piled up. You're mentally exhausted before the day even starts. You're number 4. You carry the weight of seeing too much. You notice things other people miss, patterns, contradictions, problems no one else sees yet. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. You're aware of how complicated everything is, how broken systems are, how irrational people can be. And that awareness, it's heavy. Most people get to live in blissful ignorance. You don't. And carrying that clarity is exhausting. So if you're always tired, it's not because you're weak, it's because your brain is running a marathon while everyone else is taking a walk. And that's not something sleep can fix. Drop a comment. Are you tired right now? Subscribe for more psychology that gets it, and share this with another exhausted, intelligent person.